Hi, I'm Barry Feynman, creator of the original Scratch Be Gone system, your first aid kit for stainless steel. Today I'm very excited to bring you our new BBQ Grill Rescue Kit.
Well, Barry, does this kit clean the entire grill?
This kit has everything you need. It's a 2-in-1 kit that'll take the grease and oils off the grates and off the sidewalls of the interior, and also the scratches, rust, heat scorch, discoloration on the surfaces of the stainless steel.
What parts of the grill are we going to work on today?
Today we're going to look at the grates and the sidewall. We're going to look at the stainless steel on the front, and we're going to look at the stainless steel on the hood.
Now, I've never used a kit before, so how easy is it to use?
This is a very simple process. It comes with everything you need, and it's very quick to do.
Will you show me how?
I sure will.
So, Barry, what's the first thing that we have to do?
So we have a choice of two pads. We have a more aggressive pad, and we have a lighter pad. The nature of this is going to require the more aggressive pad.
Okay.
We're going to take this, we're going to rotate these knobs so they're facing out. We're going to mount the pins through the holes and pull them down over the post. Rotate the handles until they lock secure. And then we're going to reverse it back the other way.
I saw in the kit there's two other handles. What are those?
Correct. We have two ready-mounted small area pads of the same abrasives I just showed you. They're glued and attached to a small handle for doing small areas and narrow areas like this. At the heart of our BBQ Grill Rescue Kit is UltraShine. UltraShine is our proprietary chemistry that allows for the removal of scratches and also for the discoloration on the surface of your stainless steel, and helps the pads with their cutting grits.
So we're going to work on this area right here, right?
That's right.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the UltraShine to the bottom of the pad, and I'm going to work in the grain direction, which is going back and forth this way. It takes a little while for this buildup to break through with the UltraShine and the abrasive, but we're making good headway. So see what we've accomplished here. So you can see it's pretty compelling, a result. We just need to spend more time to do the whole face.
So I've had this on here for years. Would also get this grease and rust out.
Absolutely, and very quickly. So let's go ahead and add a little bit more of the UltraShine to our pad. The grain direction is going in a horizontal direction here. So if we just go back and forth. Okay, so let's see how our progress is. Just wipe it in the grain direction. And we repeat as necessary. Just work it back and forth. And we repeat this process until it's totally clean.
So, Barry, do you have anything to clean the grates with?
Yes, we do actually. Inside your kit, we have our Grill Grate Degreaser, a very effective, thorough cleaning solution that will take years of buildup off of your grates and the interior walls of your stainless steel, yet be safe to your metals. All you need to do is to preheat the inside of your hood.
All right, let's light it up.
Perfect. Now that the grill has been preheated, we're going to go ahead and spray some of our Grill Grate Degreaser onto the surface. You have a little locking pin in the neck of the bottle. You push it across, just like this, saturating the grease, and we're going to let it sit for a few minutes and dissolve. Okay, so now we take the handle with our brown pad attached, and we're going to work it up and back and forth in the great direction here. These grates have been around for a while, and they have some pitting that's not going to go away through this process, but we're going to be down to clean metal when we're done. Let's see how we look. So now these grates are clean. The pitting that's in here is due to years of use and neglect. So that's a new cookable, clean surface. We're going to do the same up here on this stainless steel tubing And again, take our brown pad that's attached to our handle. Take our towel, wipe it clean, and see how our progress is. Another very plaguing issue with regards to your stainless steel is this ugly organic buildup of carbon on the side of your walls or on the top of your hood. By heating up the surface, we spray on the degreaser, Grill Grate Degreaser, and let it sit on here for a second or two. Get it nice and saturated. And also in your kit, we supply you with a scraper. This little scraper won't scratch your stainless steel, but it will help to remove this buildup. So I'm going to see how we do right now. And again, this is years of buildup. Now what we can do is take our hand tool again, our hand pad. By heating this up in advance, it makes cleanup much easier. So we'll see how we're doing. Clean off this wall.
Wow, Barry, this product is amazing. It really works.
Well, and thank you very much for saying so. And you know, for the griller in your life, this makes a great gift for Christmas time, Father's Day, birthdays, and even the 4th of July, or any time. Thank you for watching. To check out our exciting new rescue line of products, please visit our website at www.barrysrestoreitall.com. You know, and this product makes a great gift for the man or griller in your life at Christmas time, Father's Day, and even at birthdays, let alone 4th of July.